Hi everyone. In this tutorial we will learn how to add multiple line to text within same cell. So I type something such as this is a simple text. Now if you want to type something in the same cell but it doesn't work, I want to wrap this two line of text within a one cell. So again we type something. Now click the location inside the selected cell where you want to break the line. After that, press Alt plus Enter. Hold these both buttons at a time and you can see text in a next line in same cell, just like that. Now hit the Enter to formatting the cells. After that, automatically cells wrap the text. Now not any changes, simply select the cell and then make it bigger. Still it shows in two lines. And then double click here to fix it. Now we can easily add multiple lines within exact same cell. Finally, thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Keep learning. Have a nice day.